I've never skied 55 kilometers before. First one I did was maybe 2015. Didn't really know the trails. Wanted to do it because it was such a prestigious event. No one knew who I was. Ended up winning it. My name is Matt Mazurek. I live in Ronge in northern Saskatchewan, and I'll be doing the Saskaloppet 55 kilometer ski race this weekend. Life has changed a lot the last few years. Got a young daughter at home who's 2 and turning 3 tomorrow, right at the start of the event. I've known for a few months that I want to ski hard and ski fast and leave it out there on the course. I like to test myself and push myself. Don't know your limits unless you push yourself to your limits, and try to be the best at whatever it is I'm doing, whether that's as a physiotherapist, if that is a dad, if that is doing a Saskaloppet 55 kilometer ski. If you really want to test yourself as a skier, it's a perfect event. Over 50 kilometers of trail through rugged shield country, big climbs and big descents. The Saskaloppet, it is a really storied race. It's an exceptionally well-run event. There's a guy named Ivan English, probably won this event more than anyone in the history of the event, I'm guessing. So he'll be really good competition. I've never actually beat him in this event. Both the times I've won it, he hasn't been there. And I always joke how it doesn't count as a win until I actually beat him. So maybe this is the year. But I also really like to get a really just solid fast time. I mean, you can race others, but what they do is out of your control. I did a 2:48 a few years ago, which is a pretty fast time, and I think conditions should hopefully be fast. So it'd be really nice to break that personal best out there. Up at 1:40 this morning. Svea woke up needing herself and her stuffies to get drinks of water, and a little while after that she woke up again. I hadn't actually fallen asleep myself yet. I think she was just super psyched from her 3rd birthday yesterday and jumping on a trampoline, and that brain was still rattling inside that skull all night, and she just couldn't sleep, and therefore I didn't. So so we'll see how it goes. Don't feel too bad, but could have used a bit more hours in the night.
I'll give you a 10-second warning.
One thing that's nice about skiing is you get the adrenaline of ripping down hills at 50 kilometers an hour on twisty, windy technical descents, and then kind of the runner's high or the endorphin high of working hard and getting a good workout. Saw this photo. It was just an absolute gold photo of me strapped on my dad's back, heading out of some ski cabin. It makes me realize that my parents did a lot to get me out there and give me unique experiences. And that's probably why I like it now, and I'm trying to pass that on to our daughter as well.
One thing with sleep deprivation is one of the first things that goes is kind of cognitive function and mental processing. I think I completely blew following the course signs just because I wasn't processing very sharply. So yeah, I think I might have done 60K instead of 55. It would have been a wicked time otherwise. Really happy about sticking with it, not giving up on it, and still pushing through. Oh, I may have taken a wrong turn out there. Oh man. Oh, beautiful ski though. Oh my goodness.
If I can, be a good example for her. Work I put into preparing for the event and perseverance I show skiing the event, then that's great.
You're like miles ahead. I'm sorry, you're skin really strong. You want to what? It's like too bad? Not a lot. You won fair and square. I'm sorry, dude.
Oh, don't be sorry.
So how far did you get before you realized?
A long ways.